What's going on, guys? Ricky Arnold here, and as promised, today I'm going to be bringing you the benchmarks and the performance numbers on the new build back there, as well as, primarily the new Radeon VII graphics card. So stay tuned and I'll get those numbers right to you. Let's go. So to quickly kick things off, I'm going to go ahead and just get out of the way that yes, I did overclock my CPU. My Ryzen 7 1700 is currently running at 3.9 gigahertz right now on 1.33 volts, and it's running rock solid stable right now. Some games it's a little bit finicky, but right now it looks like it's really stable with the system, so that's what it's running with. And the actual Radeon 7 itself, I did overclock it a bit. So on the core clock, I went up just a little bit, and then as well as the memory, I only went like 100 megahertz on the memory just to tweak it a little bit. And it looks like I actually got really close to getting over 9,000 on my Time Spy benchmark. So being that it's me, I'm gonna have to go ahead and push it just a little bit more and see if we can do it without crashing, to see if we can get that 9,000 score on Time Spy, just for the fun of it. So let's go ahead and change the camera angle and let's get right into it. Let's overclock it just a little bit more and see if we can push it just a little bit further and get a little bit more power out of it. Here we go. Okay guys, so we have MSI Afterburner up right here, and as you can see, like I said, we're about just 100 megahertz up on the core clock, and we only went up about 100 megahertz on the memory clock. And with that, we were able to achieve a Time Spy score of 8,978, which is insanely close to that 9,000 score, which I think we can achieve just by pressing forward a little bit more on this overclock. So let's go ahead and change this memory clock. You know what, let's change the core clock first. Let's just go to 19, let's just go to 50. Let's do that, and let's do the memory to 1150. Let's go in increments of 50 and see how that does it. Let's go ahead and apply that. Alrighty. So we're good there. Okay, let's go ahead and get into Time Spy and run this benchmark and see what we get.
Eventually.
Woo! Over 9,000 again! Look at that. We even got a Steam achievement. So with that, just a little increase, we got to 9,288 versus our old score of 8,978. See what just a little bit of overclocking can do for you guys? Well, that was pretty cool, right? Well, just a little bit of tweaking and you can get something like that yourself. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get to the benchmarks. Okay guys, so I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you guys enjoyed the benchmarks and everything, and I hope it helps you make an informed decision on whether this is a card that you guys may want to pick up, or if you guys want to maybe skip it and get something else that better suits your needs. So just as always, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on all my social medias, and make sure you guys leave me a like on the video if this was helpful for you guys. Leave me some comments down below if you guys have any questions, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay subscribed to the channel, and I will see you later. Peace.